Schubor nakaschlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Hadin ba ka Border Road Organization kala shimti ban shnai ka jingking nar had worksot marmar kala sedang ban pentre ka bat dei ha ka khatwei trik ulber arhajar arpwei ba kala sedang ban pendaj yakina bat ha ka khatriu trik leber arhajar arpwei ka Border Road Organization kala la ban pendep ya kane ka jingking nar bat kan sa itino sa kanahai bakan pendep saya ki jingdon kam jongka Nakaliang unong san hima ne kasngi ka kanyo tarik uleber ulayo benyakren bat ki arngut ki officer ki badei na ka kanun sipai jongkari ki bapet ya kejing pentrei ya kani kejingking nar bantip khambha halor kejing pentrei ya ka unong san hima ulayo ru benyakren bat u colonel BS Kata ubalabatai bin pabin halor kumno kisdang ya kani kejingking bat kiai kijingye ki ba ki ya kandu haba pentrei ya kene ke jingking nar bantip khambnya tongin yasngap kei ke ba kini ki officer ki don banong.
It is a 230 feet, as you see. It is a continuous span Bailey Bridge, and it is the longest span. It was a big challenge for us to launch such a long bridge in a correct alignment, and we had a good team of officers, NCOs and laborers, and we launched it within a span of 5 days only. Difficulty was the long span. Generally we don't launch such a long bridges, and launching such a long bridge in the correct alignment under both the piers was a big challenge for us. So that was the most difficult part of the bridge that we faced during the launching. Yeah, this bridge is first in its kind, and all the members of the team had first-hand experience of this bridge, because nobody gets experience for launching such a long bridge.
See, we have launched this bridge against many odds. This involved a lot of coordination between various agencies. This bridge is it's a very peculiar bridge involving use of two old piers, which has been retrofitted by NHAI. Launching this kind of a complex bridge involved accurate setting out and and a complex jacking operation. This has been done by our team in a very flawless manner, and we have the bridge as a final product have come out very good within a very short period of time. This is the training of the team and the coordination between various agencies which has allowed us to complete it in time. Thank you.
It is basically, the training and the involvement of the complete staff which was involved in the construction of the bridge. That is how it has been made possible. Everybody has worked hard, right from the labor to the officers who were involved. Everybody was involved in the construction of the bridge, and with the effort and hard work of everyone who's the part of the team, this thing has been made possible in 5 days. This is a 230 feet continuous span bridge with the support of piers in between. The supports were strengthened over a period of time by the other agency, NHA, and the bridge is as such is a hybrid bridge. It is a hybrid bridge. Like if I go into the technical details, then you can see that there are 4 spans on either side of the home bank, and towards far bank there is a double single bay, and then there is another story in the middle of the bridge which has been added to strengthen and increase the load class of the bridge up to 40 tons. The load class of the bridge is 40 tons. The vehicles with a loaded capacity of 40 tons would be able to negotiate this bridge. Okay. From December onwards, we were involved in the construction of this bridge. Initial recce was carried out by us in the first week of December itself, and after that recce, there was a lot of groundwork which was required to be done. There was strengthening of the piers which was involved. There was strengthening of the abutments which was involved. So the substructure work, including strengthening of piers and strengthening of abutments, was done by NHAI. And NHAI, when they completed their work by 9th of March this month, they handed over the bridge to us for the construction. We started with the construction of the bridge on 11th of March, and now it is there in front of us. We've completed this bridge yesterday, and small minor work now which is going on. We have already approached NHAI, and we've told them they can start with the approach work, the road works on both the sides of the bridge. They have already commenced their job, and they are hopeful that they would be completing it by 31st March. It is basically, the training and the involvement of the complete staff which was involved in the construction of the bridge. That is how it has been made possible. Everybody has worked hard, right from the labor to the officers who were involved. Everybody was involved in the construction of the bridge, and with the effort and hard work of everyone who's the part of the team, this thing has been made possible in 5 days.